Aditi, this one's for you quickly. You know, if you were to talk about the chemistry, अब मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा यहाँ किसकी और कमाल की केमिस्ट्री है, आपकी, बाबा जी की, भोपा स्वामी की, या क्या हो रहा है? Talk to us about that.
लिमिट के अंदर बात करना, लिमिट के अंदर, हाँ.
पम्मी हमेशा डरी हुई रहती है, लग रही है डरावनी, पर मैं पहले प्रकाश सर से डरी हुई थी क्योंकि मेरा वज़न नहीं बढ़ रहा था. फिर मैं बॉबी सर से डरी हुई थी क्योंकि मैंने सारा लिट्टी चोखा खा लिया और जो भी खाना अवेलेबल होता था वो मैं खा जाती थी. सो देयर वर टू पीपल हु ऑलवेज ऑन माई माइंड. वन वॉज प्रकाश सर एंड वन वॉज बॉबी सर. सो जोक्स अपार्ट, आई थिंक दीज टू हैव रियली गिवन मी लाइफ टाइम ऑफ opportunity to portray something that is so like पम्मी स्टार्ट्स विद एक छोटी सी लड़की और जहाँ से वो ये जो बन गई है अभी, मुझे भी बहुत हैरानी हो रही है देख करके. और एक और चीज़ आई वुड रियली लाइक टू थैंक प्रकाश सर, लाइक बॉबी सर सेड दैट दिस ashram caste became a family, and my father, who's no more, he was very very happy and proud because I was shooting that time for this show and I had a family to fall upon, and every evening हम जब मिलते थे हम बातें करते थे तो थोड़ा लोड शेडिंग हो जाता था. पर पम्मी आप किसी को भी लोड शेडिंग करने नहीं देने वाली है, वो बहुत स्ट्रेस देने वाली है सबको, जैसे आपने देखा है, स्पेशली भोपा स्वामी और बाबा जी को.
चंदन भाई, उन्होंने तो कह दिया स्ट्रेस देने वाली है, अब आप बता दो क्या होने वाला है थोड़ा सा.
Thanks. First, I would like to, because it's such a big part of an actor's journey for me as an actor, I would like to start with my boss, Mr. Prakash Jha. A very acclaimed filmmaker for ages, and to get an opportunity to work with him. I remember he going to his office way before Ashram one day to sort of ask for work, you know, like sir कि मैं आपके साथ काम करना चाहता हूँ. बहुत साल पहले की बात है. तो सर मिलने के बाद बोले कि, and he spoke to me in Bangla, you know, he can speak good Bangla also. So he spoke to me in Bangla. He said, একদিন হবে, আমি তোকে ডাকবো, like I'll call you one day. And years later, it was in 2019, around mid, when Shruti Mahajan, who sort of actually is a conspirator, who got all of us together under this umbrella of Prakash Jha, where I met Bobby sir, where I met Aditi, Darshan, Anupriya, Rajiv, Vikram, all the actors, Tridha, Anupriya. So we all got together under this huge shade of an umbrella called Mr. Prakash Jha. And that's where this journey started. Again, like Bobby sir, I went to meet him. He narrated me the story. And he said, I want you to play the commander-in-chief of this ashram, which is run by Bobby Deol. I said, okay. And it was such a unique story when I read the script. It was such a unique story. When I read the script, I finished it and I met Prakash Ji after that. I knew that it was going to be a great success. Not as an actor, but I thought that it was such a well-written, conceptualized show. And then the journey began and I met Bobby sir. Bobby sir से मुलाकात हुई. और बॉबी सर मतलब वो दुनिया हसीनों का मेला, यू नो. तो स्कूल से भाग भाग के इनकी फिल्में, और ये उस ज़माने की फिल्में होती थी जब बॉबी देओल के एफिजीज लगते थे इतने बड़े बड़े प्लाजा थिएटर न्यू दिल्ली में, गोल चश्मा लगा के. एंड देन आई एम गेटिंग टू वर्क विद हिम एंड लाइक हाउ ही सेड एवरी इवनिंग वी यूज्ड टू मीट, बिकॉज प्रकाश सर ने कहा था कि आप लोग मिलो, आप दोनों जितना मिलोगे, जितना एक दूसरे के साथ समय व्यतीत करोगे, उतना इस रोल में दिखेगा. And coming from the director, we started spending a lot of time together and we became inseparable in real life also. It was like destiny brought us together. Then I met Aditi. Aditi मेरे में हमेशा उल्टा सीधा ही सोचती थी, ये वाले साले पागल, सॉरी, ये मैं इसकी बहुत टांग खींचता था क्योंकि मैं भोपा स्वामी था और मुझे लगता था ये आश्रम में क्या करने आई है, ये तो बाबा के साथ
कंट्रोल.
हाँ. So that's how. And then Darshan, I have known Darshan for a long time. Sorry, I'm giving a long answer because it's such an important part of this journey. And these actors have become an important part of my life. And thanks to Amazon and MX Player, that how they got together and bringing this much awaited show, which was everybody, like Darshan said, was asking कि ये आश्रम 3 कब आएगा, कब आएगा, कब आएगा. अब वो 27 को आ रहा है, देखिए. और आपने तो देख ही लिया कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है बाबा और भोपा के बीच में, तो ज़्यादा समय नहीं लूँगा. थैंक यू.
Hi, my question is to Aditi over here. Aditi, for you, your character Pammi, I think you went from being a very devoted follower to being a rebel, and that change, how did that take place? Was that challenging for you as an actor because your emotion is going from A to Z?
Well, yeah, it was, I wouldn't say challenging, but it was a discovery. And the discovery was amazing because of the writer director and the faith that he put in me. Because I remember for a long time, I gave many tests. I gave about, yeah, like about two auditions where I didn't think that I'll do this part, but I just felt that I should give it all because it was written so well. And then, of course, Prakash sir was somebody who was on my top charts to work with, at least in this lifetime. That I wanted, like these 10 people I wanted to work with, and he was on the top charts, I remember. So yes, it was, I wouldn't say challenging. I would just say certain things were challenging, which was body transformation. And because I've been a sprinter, so to become a wrestler, that was a bit of a challenge. And putting in, of course, like Bobby sir said, somehow magically the entire cast was so amazing. Like it was just give and take with Bobby sir also being so particular about it, knowing his lines and being there in the performance space. Sunita ma'am really helped me a lot because I was shooting with She that time, which was also a Marathi accent, and then I had to do Haryanvi accent. And then I remember once Prakash sir said, इतनी हरियाणवी क्यों बोल रही हो? तो मैंने बोला मैंने ट्यूशन की है तो मैं तो बोल रही हूँ. And he said, yeah, but your brother is speaking Punjabi and the mother is also speaking Punjabi, so make it little Punjabi Haryanvi. And I said, wow, now how do I do this when I've not been out of Bombay much? So Sunita ma'am, usually she used to put on the camera on. I mean, we used to do video calls. So without the video, I would hear her and her son speak. So what happened was, I had very little time and I said, Sunita ma'am, you have to help me. And what she did was she kept the conversation going. So phonetics ki wajah se, I picked it up somehow. That was a huge challenge because I wanted to impress him. And I was already lagging with putting on weight. So I had to do this somehow, and she really helped me do that. And yeah, I mean, that is what the fun part is, I think. Also, the girls who were there in the wrestlers camp, they helped me a lot. So I used to hang out with them. कभी भैंस ने बच्चा दे दिया तो उनके साथ चिल किया, कभी उनके हॉस्टल चले गए. That kind of thing really helped me, and that is what I even look forward to as an actor. So I would not say challenge, but I would say discovery is something I thoroughly enjoyed with Pammi. And even now, if you see, she's changing so many shades. Like I don't remember how I done this when I watch it because it's been a while, but I'm very excited to see it as it comes up. I hope I've answered your question. I don't know where you were. Yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you.